In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Auto Start feature for Microsoft Teams via Windows settings. This process is a great way to improve your computer's startup time and reduce unnecessary delays when you boot up your system. So let's dive in and go through the steps. First off, we need to access the Windows settings menu. You'll want to start by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard simultaneously. This is a handy shortcut designed to open the settings window quickly, allowing you to navigate through your computer's many options without having to click through multiple menus. Once you have the settings window open, your next step is to look for the section labeled Apps. You'll find this option listed among several other categories like System and Devices, all neatly arranged to make finding what you need intuitive and easy. Click on Apps to proceed. When you click on Apps, a new panel will load on your screen containing various app-related settings. From here, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Look for the one labeled Startup. Clicking on Startup will bring up a comprehensive list of programs that are set to run automatically when your computer starts. This list is crucial because it gives you control over what applications can slow down your system at startup. Now, carefully scroll through the list to locate Microsoft Teams. The programs are usually listed alphabetically, so finding Teams should be straightforward. As you scan through, you might notice other applications also set to auto start, and while our focus is on Teams for now, it's worth revisiting this list if you want to optimize your startup further. After locating Microsoft Teams in the list, you'll see a toggle switch right next to it. This toggle is essentially a simple on-off switch that controls whether the application starts with Windows. Currently, it would be toggled on, enabling it to boot up automatically. What you want to do now is click on the toggle to turn it off. This action will disable the Auto Start functionality for Microsoft Teams, preventing it from automatically launching whenever you turn on your computer. And there you have it. By simply opening Windows settings, navigating to Apps, and toggling off the Auto Start for Microsoft Teams, you've successfully optimized your startup routine. This small change can significantly impact your computer's performance, especially if you're looking to make your boot-up process as efficient as possible. Remember, repeating this process for other applications can further enhance your system's speed and responsiveness. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take that next step towards a smoother, more efficient computing experience.